Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV, where we bring authentic Filipino flavors straight to your kitchen. Today, we're making garlic longganisa Calumpit style, a juicy, garlicky, and perfectly seasoned with that classic savory kick that pairs perfectly with garlic rice and egg. Stay until the end because I'll show you the secret to achieving that perfect balance of flavor and texture, juicy inside with a slightly caramelized finish outside. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 kilogram pork, 70% lean/30% fat. 8 to 10 cloves garlic, crushed. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1½ teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar, optional. 3 tablespoons cold water or pineapple juice. 1/4 teaspoon curing salt. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1/4 teaspoon MSG. Hog casing, cleaned and soaked. Cotton thread or food grade string, for tying. Funnel tube/sausage stuffer, for filling the casing. Procedure: in a large bowl, combine ground pork, garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, black pepper, sugar, cold water or pineapple juice, curing salt if using, paprika, oyster sauce, MSG. Mix thoroughly until the mixture becomes sticky and well combined. Cover and refrigerate for 8 to 12 hours, overnight. Insert the hog casing into the funnel tube/sausage stuffer. Fill the casing with the meat mixture. Tie every 2 to 3 inches using string. Do not overstuff to prevent bursting. Keep sizes uniform. Air dry for 2 to 4 hours, fan or refrigerator airflow. Place in a pan with a small amount of water. Simmer until the water evaporates. Let the natural fat render. Fry until golden brown and slightly caramelized. And there you have it, our homemade garlic longganisa, Calumpit style, flavorful, juicy, and perfect for your next silog meal, only here on Sangkap Sarap TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic and easy Filipino recipes you can make at home. Comment below your favorite longganisa style or what recipe you want us to feature next. Your suggestion might be in our next video. Thanks for watching Sangkap Sarap TV. See you in the next recipe, and happy cooking!